Hey guys, how's it going? Acne is a very common problem for people of all age and gender, but what is even more annoying is the scar that the acne leaves behind. It not only ruins your beauty, but also it makes you insecure about yourself. So it is a very serious issue. But no worries now, because we have some very easy ways to make your face flawless and ever glowing. The acne scar can seem to be permanent to almost any type of skin. All you have to do is quit using all those chemical products you buy from the stores and start to apply the easy natural remedy we show in this very video. To buy any acne removing product, jewelry, skin and hair care product, visit our website beautynovel.com. Here you can get any product you may need. First remedy: cucumber juice, rice powder and honey. Cucumber works like magic in removing the acne scar, and if you want to clear out the dirt from your face and use a scrub, then you can add some rice powder to the cucumber juice and massage it to your skin. Those who are not allergic to honey can use honey to the face and it will moisturize your skin. If you use this pack twice a week, then it will clean your face and remove the blackheads and whiteheads. But you have to keep in mind that you cannot use a scrub if acne is still upon your face. And if you need any acne scar removal product, then check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Second remedy: raw turmeric and sandalwood powder. These two elements are very useful to your skin if you have acne. All you have to do is make a thick paste with turmeric and sandalwood powder and apply it to your affected area. Then wash your face with cold water after a while. This pack will not only help to heal the acne but also help to remove the acne scar. Third remedy: sandalwood powder, lemon juice and rose water. First, make a paste with sandalwood powder and rose water. Then add 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice. Some people can adjust this with the rose water. In that case, they can use honey to the mixture. If you use the paste 3 to 4 days a week, then you can get better results. And if you need any acne scar removal product, then check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Fourth remedy: apple and honey. This might be the most popular remedy for removing acne scar out there. First, you have to paste apple and add 4 to 6 drops of honey. Apply it to your skin and wash it off after some time with cold water. This remedy makes your skin tight, whitens your skin and removes the acne scar. Use it 5 to 6 days a week and get the stunning skin you always dreamed of. Fifth remedy: egg whites. Apply some egg whites to the affected area of your skin and leave overnight. It will prevent the dryness from your skin. However, it will be best if you use lemon juice with the egg whites. In that case, you can wash off your face after 30 minutes. And if you need any acne scar removal product, then check out description down below and also watch our product review video. Sixth remedy: papaya and rice powder. Do you know the main cause of acne? It's dirt. So you have to keep your skin clean in order to prevent all those acne and acne scars. So you can make a paste by smashing papaya with some lemon juice and add rice powder to it to make it work as a scrub. This will take all the dirt from your face. Massage it to your skin for 20 to 25 minutes and wash it off. If you are still not getting any improvement by using these 6 remedies, then do check the description down below and watch our product review video. Then you can buy the product and use it. These 6 remedies are believed to be some of the best home remedies for removing acne scar. But you have to remember that not every ingredient suits every skin type. So you must be careful about choosing them. Let us know if you liked our video by commenting down below and subscribe to our channel Beauty Novel to get more such videos. And don't forget to watch our product review video. Let us know what kind of video you want next. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.